Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I am finishing the engine strip down. Quick change. There isn't much more left on the outside of the engine to remove. I'm going to start with the flywheel, then remove the magneto coil plate. After that, the toughest part will be getting the screws out. Some of the heads have been chewed and others are just full of muck, but I will have a better idea what is needed once I've cleaned them up. To help me, you will see I've made a support that is welded onto one of the skis I made before. By using this, I can keep the engine steady while struggling to get the screws out. This is a flywheel puller. Let me clean the screw heads and see how many I can loosen, with, of course, a JIS screwdriver. Phew, that was tough. ask, if you like what you see here on Biker Stuff, please click on my face. Then, if you ring my bell, you will get notifications when I upload more great videos like this one. Next, I need to remove these remaining screws. And the same on the other side. Also on the other side, I will need to remove this gear selector shaft. In fact, there are a few bits to be removed on that side. Then I can get on and split the case. Okay, I've removed as many bits as I can, which means, drum roll, brrr, I can now split the case. If you plan to do this, please be aware you should not use wedges or pry bars. The case does not have a gasket, so if you damage it, there isn't anything to seal it back up with. And being a two-stroke, you need to keep the petrol in and any extra air out. So please use a puller. Kawasaki make the tool to do this, and despite this one looking like it is genuine, I made it last night. Don't tell. Now I have to see if it works. Firstly, I need to remove the starter shift and gear, then drive shaft, output shaft and shift drum assemblies. There is a ball bearing on the end of the drive shaft, so be careful not to lose it. And finally, I can knock the crankshaft out. Now I need to check everything is in good order, plus keep these hopefully in the order they came out. I will be taking these case halves to be vapor blasted, and if I'm lucky I will be allowed to film that so you can see what happens and what the results look like. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends, and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff. To subscribe, just click here. Then choose one of these to see more. Well, go on, press 1.